servicing Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montague County in north-central Texas until 5 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoneburg, or 11 miles west of Nakona, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nakona around 4:45 p.m. For your protection, stay inside a sturdy structure and keep away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.